Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the Gmail app to hide content or don't show notifications on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. And then from here, you want to tap on the Google folder, or if you swipe up to go into the app screen, tap on the Google folder, then tap on Gmail. In Gmail, tap on the menu key at the top. From the pop-out menu settings, tap on Settings, and then tap on the Gmail account that you are using. Now go down and tap on Manage Notifications. Swipe down and then tap on Lock Screen. In here, by default, it is set to hide content. You could also choose Don't Show Notifications or choose Hide Content. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your mail inbox, or tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.